Bienvenidos a Tiempo de Cuentos, amigos. Welcome to Bilingual Storytime. And just a special reminder for the special grown-ups to check out ormlibrary.org/storytime for new podcasts, take-home story time, and an activity grid. Okay, so we're going to start with our hello song. Ready? And it's to the tune of In and Out the Window. Reach up and shout hooray, reach up and shout hooray, reach up and shout hooray, it's story time today. And do you guys remember it in Spanish? Ready? Las manos hacia arriba, las manos hacia abajo, brincando todo el día en la fiesta de cuentos. Bravo! Good job, friends. Today we have a special visitor. Actually, two special visitors. If you've noticed them, shout out their names. If you need a hint, look behind me. Do you guys remember Green Bean and Perezosito? They're gonna help us with our story time today. Yay! Let's all say hello to Green Bean and Perezosito. Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Hello friends. Oh, they miss you guys so much. But today, they are so excited to say hello. Perezosito and Green Bean are gonna help us with our very first song, and it's to the tune of Row, Row, Row Your Boat. And it goes like this. Love, love, love your friends, ama tus amigos, juega, ayuda y un abrazo, show your friends you care. Did you guys get that? Okay, let's sing it one more time. Oh, and do you guys remember how to say friends in sign language with your fingers like this? So when you hear love, make the love in sign language. And when you hear friends, go like this. And then in Spanish, ama is love. So when you hear ama, say this, go like this with your hands. And then when you hear amigos, go like this. Okay, ready? Perezosito and Green Bean are gonna sing with us. Love, love, love your friends, ama tus amigos. Juega, ayuda y un abrazo, show your friends you care. Did you guys sing along? Good job, bravo, yay! Okay friends, today's story was read permission from Simon & Schuster, and it is called We Besties. Huggy the Python hugs too hard. Huggy el Pitón abraza demasiado fuerte. And it is written by Amy Dyckman. Ta-da! Este es Huggy el Pitón. This is Huggy the Python. Huggy le encanta abrazar las cosas que ama. Huggy loves to hug things he loves. Pero a veces, Huggy abraza demasiado fuerte. But sometimes, Huggy hugs things too hard. Look, Huggy. Mira, Huggy. Un globo. A Huggy le encanta globos. Huggy loves balloons. Amigos, ¿qué color es el globo? What color is the balloon? Orange. And in Spanish, anaranjado. Suavecito, despacito, gentle, gentle, pop! Uh-oh, friends. Can you guys help me make a popping sound? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pop! Oh no! Oops. You hugged too hard, Huggy. Lo abrazaste demasiado fuerte. Mira, Huggy. Helado. A Huggy le encanta helado. Look, Huggy, ice cream. Huggy loves ice cream. Ooh, can you guys see how many scoops of ice cream he has? Oh, that looks so yummy. Despacito, suavecito, gentle, gentle. Ah, squish! Oh no, friends, I need your help to say squish. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Squish! Oops. You hugged too hard, Huggy. Lo abrazaste demasiado fuerte. What happened to the ice cream that he squished too hard? Tell me, friends, what happened? Where did all the ice cream go? Mira, Huggy! Look, Huggy! What is he looking at, friends? What did he find? A fuzzy little dog. Huggy loves fuzzy little dogs. A Fuzzy le encanta cachorritos. What's gonna happen? Can you guys make a prediction? Prediction is a fancy word for guess. Can you guys guess what's gonna happen? I'll give you time to tell me your guess. Let's see if you're right. Wait, espera! Can you show Huggy how to be gentle? ¿Tú le puedes enseñar a Huggy cómo dar un abrazo tierno? Okay, amigos, tienes que ayudar a Huggy. Can you guys help Huggy too? Use your imagination and show Huggy how to give a gentle hug. Un abrazo tierno. Just like him. Ready? Can you give the fuzzy little dog a gentle hug? Okay, amigos, ustedes pueden dar un abrazo al cachorrito. Ready, set, go, abrazo. Did you guys do it? ¿Lo hicieron? You did it! Yay! Bravo! Lo hicieron! That was a great gentle hug. Eso sí fue un abrazo tierno. Bravo! Your turn, Huggy. Tu turno, Huggy. Remember, hug a gentle hug. Dale un abrazo tierno. Can you guys guess what's gonna happen? What's he gonna do? Oh, phew. Phew, just right, Huggy. Lo hiciste, Huggy. El fin, what did he end up squishing, friends? Can you see that? Silly Huggy. Yay, bravo! Ayudaron a Huggy a dar un abrazo tierno. You guys helped Huggy give a gentle hug. Good job! Yay! Okay, amigos, now we are going to play a game with Perososito and Green Bean. And this is a game that you guys can play at home with your family and friends. And it is such a fun way to show your friends and family that you care by spending fun quality time with them. And because it's Valentine's Day this month and we are celebrating the people that we love and care about, I challenge you guys to spend quality time together. Okay, so this is a fun game. It's kind of like hide and seek. And we sing this song, and it's to the tune of Farmer in the Dell. And it goes like this. Let's find a friend, encontremos un amigo. Hi-ho the dairy-o, let's find a friend. Encontremos un amigo means let's find a friend. So, let's sing that all the way through. One more time, ready? Let's find a friend, encontremos un amigo. Hi-ho the dairy-o, let's find a friend. Good job, bravo! So now, Perososito and Mr. Green Bean are going to take turns hiding. And you guys are gonna help us find them. Okay, Perososito is going to count or sing first, okay? So, and then Mr. Green Bean is gonna hide. Let's sing the song, ready? Let's find a friend. Encontremos un amigo. Hi-ho the dairy-o, let's find a friend. Okay, can you guys help Perososito find Mr. Green Bean? Shout to Perososito where he is. Can you give him a hint? He's looking over here. Is he here, friends? No. No. There he is. Encontremos a Señor Green Bean. We found Mr. Green Bean. Now Mr. Green Bean is going to sing and Perososito is going to hide. Ready? Let's find a friend. Encontremos un amigo. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Let's find a friend. Okay, amigos, let's help Mr. Green Bean find a friend. If you guys see Perososito, give him a hint. Shout it out. Where is he? Mr. Green Bean's looking over here. Is he over here? Where is Perezosito? Here he is! Aquí está Perezosito! Yay! They found each other! Oh, and let's give our friends a special hug, just like Huggy the Python did. Soft and gentle. Oh, yay! Good job, friends. Thank you for playing with us today. And remember to celebrate Valentine's Day with those that you love and care about. And now it is time to say goodbye. Let's sing our homework song, and it's the 5 things we do with our special friends and grown-ups to help our brains learn and grow. We read, we write, we sing, we play, and we talk. And in Spanish, it's escribir, cantar, jugar, hablar, y leer. ¿Listos, amigos? And it's in the tune of Jingle Bells. Read and write, sing and play. Talk with me all day. These are the 5 things we do. Our brains will grow this way. Escribir y cantar, jugar y hablar. También con leer me ayudan a aprender. I'll see you guys next time. Have fun this month.